So that's Forest. All right, so then we move to the killer one. This one is the one that will blow your mind all the way out. Right now, my mind is not even here. That's why I'm speaking like, I am kind of lagging. It's because my mind is currently on the ground. It is being blown away totally by this name right here. Now we have JKMN. JKMN. We have a uppercase J, we have a lowercase k. We have a lowercase m and a lowercase n. Now, if you look at this name, what would you think that this name would pronounce? Now, if you check it neatly, the alphabetical order or the letters. Okay, greetings from across the world. Greetings from the Royal Palace. Of course, I am your boy TR Nayari X. Thank you for tuning in. This is another edition from the Royal Family, of course. And I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good day, wherever in the world you are. You are welcome here always. This is a family of loyalty and royalty. We believe in love endlessly. It's a strong word for many people, but we believe in loving on the people. From the Royal Palace, of course, highly in love, so much so that we believe that God is love, and we believe that love is God. So it works vice versa. If you love, you know God, and if you don't love, you know not God. And it works vice versa. If you know not love, you don't know God, and if you don't know God, you have no clue what love is. All right, so let's jump into this.
Israel, Rastafari, everything blessed, man. I'll bless. We,
Normally the king of any kingdom has servants, and there is this one thing that separates this kingdom from the rest of kingdom that in this kingdom, the king is also the servant. And so, I find great pleasure in serving the people. As YouTubers, especially live streamers, we have a problem, a huge problem. Myself as a YouTuber and a live streamer, and many other live streamers have faced up with this similar problem. And the problem is, YouTubers have some names that we find a bit hard to pronounce at times. It's very, sometimes I don't even know what people are thinking of when they give themselves names, and even some of the parents, I don't even know the reason why they give their kids some of the names that these children. You always find that these people come across names that are very hard to pronounce. Now, I want to say, don't kill yourself, don't beat yourself if you struggle to call a name, because names are one of the hardest thing to pronounce, because people spell their names differently and pronounce it differently. And it doesn't mean that you're illiterate if you cannot say a name that you see for someone. So we will get into the meat of the matter, of course. So we have a couple of names that we want to, I should get this off the board. No, I don't need to get it off the board. All right, so yes. All right, so we want to jump into these names that we come across. Now, this is going to blow your mind. It blew my mind, and I'm sure it's going to blow your mind as well. So here we go. We're going to start with the first name being A, B, C, D, E. Now, that is the first name. Now, when you look at this, some people would want to say, oh, that's A, B, C, D, E. But, believe it or not, this name is pronounced Abside. Abside. Right. Abside. Okay. All right, so that's the first name. Now, the second name that we have is L dash and A. Now, if you look at this, the only thing you see or notice is that there is a L, there's a dash, and there's a capital L, a dash, and a common A, or a lowercase a. Now, would you believe that this name is pronounced Ladasha? Ladasha. Now, this is very interesting, and of course, I find it very intriguing, and it stirs up a little thing in the mind, you know, in the brain. Your brain cells is being activated just by thinking about these things. But these final two will be the killer. That will blow your mind, because my mind is currently on the ground right now because it was blown out by these two final names. So now we have S, 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 T. And so with this name, we have a capital S, a lowercase s, a lowercase s, a lowercase s, and we have a lowercase t. Now, let me give you a little time to think about it. What do you think this bunch of letters, which is basically just two letters, what do you think that pronounce? How would you pronounce something such like this? You're a teacher, you're a nurse, you are a YouTuber, and you see this name comes across. What would you say? It's not. Believe it or not, this is pronounced 4S. Forest. Forest. Yes. So of course, I don't know if you get it, but yes, 4S. Yes, forest. That's the pronunciation of that name. You didn't know that, right? It doesn't make you illiterate because you couldn't pronounce it. All right, to the final one, because the person behind the camera is getting a little bit uncomfortable, so let's just get this out of the way real quick. All right, so this one is the last one, which is J, K, M, N. JKMN. Now, I want to give the person, I want to do a giveaway for the person who gets this right. Now, Johnny, how would you pronounce this name? No. Wrong. Patrice, how would you pronounce this name? No, you know what? Let me just get to it because no one is going to get it. This is pronounced Noel. Huh? This right here is pronounced Noel. And now, if you think about the letters of the alphabet, the 26th letter of course, the alphabet, you would have, in alphabetical order, you would have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Now, if you notice, the J is missing. The J is missing. Or, is it the J? No, the J is here. The J is not missing. The L is what is missing. And so, in Jamaica, we would say no L. But we can say it also in English. We have no L in this formation of the alphabet. So, Noel is the name. Whew, incredible, ain't it? Okay, thank you for watching. I am your boy, TR Nayari. My name has also been a problem for many YouTubers to pronounce. They call me Nigeri, Nairuru, Nairiri, Nairoro, Naipiri. They even call me Wairiri. Why? You know, they call me all kind of things. Nairiri. But unfortunately, it is not so. So I am providing you...
Siri, why do you know Riri?
Oh, shut up, Siri. So now you know, my name is pronounced, as a matter of fact, my name is African, and it was given to me by my dad. It was taken from his very good friend in Tanzania. His name is Julius Nyerere. He was the president of Tanzania. As a matter of fact, Nyerere, Julius Nyerere is still alive. The Africans call him Nyerere. Nyerere. Yes, I'm okay with being called Nyerere. And of course, the Spanish people call me Nyerere. And of course, my father and my mother gave me the name and they called me Nayeri. And so, whichever one you choose to call, Nayeri, Nairere, whichever one you choose to call, I'm fine with it. So thank you for watching this video. I am your boy, TR Nayari. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more uploads which will be coming soon. This is content. Bam! More content. Yeah, hell yeah, content.
Everything seems so wrong. Feels like I don't know where I belong. Oh, now, yeah. So it's just my music and me.